Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Mike.
And I'm Sarah. Hey, Mike. Hey, listeners.
Sarah, today we're talking about something super important, something that changed my English forever.
Ooh, what is it?
Thinking in English, not translating, just thinking in English.
Yes, this is so important. And by the end of this episode, you'll understand why your brain needs to stop translating.
Exactly, and we'll show you how to start thinking in English today, not tomorrow, today.
Okay, so Mike, what does thinking in English really mean?
Good question. So imagine you want to say, I'm hungry.
Okay, I'm hungry.
Right. But many learners do this. They think in their language first, then they translate, then they speak.
Oh, so like they think I am hungry in Spanish or Chinese or Arabic first.
Exactly. They think in their own language, then they translate each word, then they say it in English.
That sounds slow.
It is slow, and that's the problem.
So thinking in English means you just think I'm hungry directly, no translation.
Yes, your brain just thinks in English, no middle step.
I love that. But Mike, here's my question. How? How do you start doing that?
That's what we're talking about today. And trust me, it's easier than you think.
Okay, I'm excited. So, first question, why is translating bad?
Oh, good question. Okay, so translating isn't bad exactly, but it makes you slow.
Slow?
Yes, because when you translate, you do three things. First, you think in your language. Second, you find the English words. Third, you say them.
3 steps.
3 steps. That takes time. And in a conversation, people don't wait.
Right. Conversations move fast.
Exactly. So if you're translating, you're always 1 step behind.
Oh, I see. So you miss things. You can't keep up.
Yes, you miss parts of the conversation, and you feel stressed.
That sounds frustrating.
It is. I remember when I was learning Spanish, I translated everything, and people would finish the conversation and I was still thinking about the first sentence.
Oh no, that's not fun.
Not fun at all. But when I started thinking in Spanish, everything changed.
Really? How did it change?
I could understand faster, I could answer faster, I felt confident.
I love that. Okay, so thinking in English makes you faster.
Yes, and more natural.
Natural?
Yes, because English doesn't always translate perfectly.
Oh, that's interesting. Can you give an example?
Sure, in English we say I'm cold,
Right, I'm cold.
but in some languages they say I have cold.
I have cold?
Yes, like in Spanish, tengo frío. That means I have cold.
Oh, wow. So if you translate directly, you say the wrong thing.
Exactly. You say I have cold in English and people think, you have a cold? Are you sick?
Oh no, that's confusing.
Very confusing. So translating word by word doesn't work.
Right. Each language has its own way.
Yes, English has its own way. So you need to think in English, not translate.
Okay, I'm convinced. Translating is slow and sometimes wrong. But Mike, here's the big question. How do I start thinking in English?
Okay, let's talk about that. First step, start small.
Start small?
Yes, don't try to think everything in English. Start with simple things.
Like what?
Like your day, your routine, simple actions.
Okay, can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine you wake up in the morning. What do?
I open my eyes.
Good. So in your head, think, I open my eyes.
I open my eyes. Okay.
Then what?
I get out of bed.
Perfect. Think, I get out of bed.
I get out of bed. This is easy.
It is. See, you're already doing it. You're thinking in English.
Wow, I didn't even notice.
That's the point. It should feel natural. So what's next in your morning?
I go to the bathroom.
Good. I go to the bathroom. Then
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. See, you're describing your morning in English.
I am, and I didn't translate anything.
Exactly. That's thinking in English.
Okay, so I should do this every day?
Yes, every day. Just describe your actions in your head.
That sounds fun. Like, I make coffee, I drink coffee, I check my phone.
Perfect. You're getting it. But Mike, what if I don't know a word?
Great question. If you don't know a word, don't stop. Just use simple words.
Simple words?
Yes. For example, imagine you want to say refrigerator, but you don't know that word.
Okay.
Just say cold box in your head or food box.
Cold box? That's funny.
Maybe, but your brain understands, and later you can learn the real word.
Oh, I see. So don't stop. Keep thinking in English even if it's simple.
Exactly. The goal is to keep your brain in English mode,
English mode. I like that.
right? English mode is the goal.
Okay, so step 1, describe your day in English. Start small. What's step 2?
Step 2, talk to yourself out loud.
Talk to myself out loud?
Yes, in English.
Wait, really? Like just talk alone?
Yes, I know it sounds weird, but it works.
Okay, how do I do that?
Easy. Just narrate what you're doing, like you're in a movie.
A movie?
Yes, imagine you're making breakfast. You say, okay, I'm making breakfast now, I'm taking the eggs, I'm cracking the eggs, now I'm cooking.
Oh, like a cooking show.
Exactly, like a cooking show. You're the host.
That's fun. So I just describe everything?
Yes, everything. I'm putting on my shoes, I'm opening the door, I'm walking outside.
And this helps me think in English?
Yes, because you're using English in real time, no translation.
Real time. I like that.
And the more you do it, the easier it gets.
Okay, I'm going to try this. But Mike, what if people hear me?
Who cares?
Who cares?
Yes, who cares if people hear you? You're learning English.
That's true. I shouldn't be embarrassed.
Not at all. You're practicing. That's smart.
Okay, I'm convinced. I'll talk to myself in English.
Good. And if you feel shy, you can whisper.
Whisper?
Yes, just say it quietly. Nobody will hear, but your brain still practices.
Oh, that's a good idea. Okay, so step 2, talk to myself. What's step 3?
Step 3, think about your feelings in English.
My feelings.
Yes, your emotions, how you feel.
Oh, that's interesting. Why feelings?
Because feelings are personal, and when you think about your feelings in English, English becomes personal too.
Oh, I see. So English isn't just words, it's connected to my life.
Exactly. English becomes part of you.
I love that. Okay, how do I do this?
Simple. When you feel something, say it in English, in your head or out loud.
Okay, like what?
Like, I'm happy today.
I'm happy today.
Or, I'm tired.
I'm tired.
Or, I'm excited about the weekend.
I'm excited about the weekend. This is easy.
It is, and it helps you connect English to your emotions.
Right, so English isn't just school, it's real life.
Exactly. It's your life.
Okay, I love this. So step 3, think about my feelings in English. What's next?
Step 4, stop translating in conversations.
Ooh, this sounds hard.
It can be, but it's important.
Okay, how do I stop translating?
First, you need to accept something.
You will make mistakes.
Mistakes?
Yes, you'll say things wrong, and that's okay.
Really?
Yes, mistakes are normal. Mistakes are how you learn.
But I don't want to sound stupid.
Sarah, you won't sound stupid. You'll sound like a learner, and that's beautiful.
Beautiful?
Yes, learning is beautiful. Making mistakes is brave.
I never thought about it that way.
It's true. So don't be afraid to speak without translating. Just try.
Okay, so in a conversation, I just speak?
Yes, listen, think in English, and speak.
No translation in the middle?
No translation, just English to English.
But what if I can't find the words?
Use simple words, or describe the idea.
Describe the idea?
Yes, imagine you don't know the word spoon.
Okay.
You can say, the thing for eating soup.
The thing for eating soup? That's smart.
It works, and people will understand. Maybe they'll teach you the word.
Oh, so it's okay to not know every word?
Of course, nobody knows every word, even native speakers.
Really?
Really, the important thing is communication.
Communication, not perfection.
Exactly. Communication, not perfection.
I love that. Okay, so step 4, speak without translating. Just try. What's step 5?
Step 5, surround yourself with English.
Surround myself.
Yes, make English everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere. Your phone, your music, your shows, your thoughts.
Oh, so like change my phone to English?
Yes, change your phone language to English.
But won't that be confusing?
At first, maybe, but you'll learn fast.
Really?
Yes, because you use your phone every day. You'll see the same words again and again.
That makes sense. Repetition.
Exactly. Repetition is key.
Okay, so change my phone. What else?
Listen to English music.
I do that.
Good. but really listen. Try to understand the words.
Okay, I'll pay attention to the lyrics.
Yes, and watch English shows.
With subtitles?
At first, yes, English subtitles, not your language.
English subtitles.
Yes, so you read English and hear English at the same time.
Oh, that's smart. Double practice.
Exactly. And later you can turn off subtitles.
Turn them off?
Yes, when you feel ready. Just listen.
That sounds scary.
It's okay to be scared, but you'll surprise yourself.
Okay, I'll try. So, step 5, surround myself with English. Phone, music, shows, everything.
Yes, make English part of your daily life.
I like that. Okay, Mike, we've talked about 5 steps. Can we review them?
Sure, let's do a quick review.
Okay, step 1.
Step 1, start small. Describe your day in English.
Got it. Step 2.
Talk to yourself, out loud or in your head.
Step 3.
Think about your feelings in English.
Step 4.
Stop translating in conversations. Just speak.
And step 5.
Surround yourself with English. Make it everywhere.
Perfect. These steps are so clear.
Right? And anyone can do them.
Anyone. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a class.
Nope, you just need to practice every day.
Every day, even 5 minutes helps.
Yes, 5 minutes a day is better than nothing.
Okay, Mike, I have another question.
Go ahead.
What about confidence?
Confidence?
Yes, how do you get confidence to speak?
Oh, good question. It depends
On what?
on how much you practice. Some people do it in a few weeks. Some people take months.
Weeks or months?
Yes, but the important thing is it will happen.
It will happen.
Yes, if you practice, your brain will change.
Your brain will change?
Yes, your brain is amazing. It learns, it adapts.
So I just need to be patient.
Exactly. Be patient. Be consistent.
Consistent?
Yes, practice every day, even a little bit.
Okay, I can do that.
I know you can. And listeners, you can too.
Yes, everyone listening, you can do this.
You really can. Thinking in English is possible.
Okay, Mike, let's talk about some common problems.
Good idea. What problems?
Like, what if I start thinking in English, but then I stop?
Oh, that's normal.
Normal?
Yes, your brain will go back to your language sometimes.
So, what do I do?
Just notice it and switch back to English.
Switch back?
Yes, like, oh, I'm thinking in my language again. Okay, back to English.
So, I don't need to be perfect.
No, nobody's perfect. Just keep trying.
Okay, that's good to know. What about another problem? What if I think in English, but I still can't speak fast?
That's okay too. Thinking in English is step 1. Speaking fast comes later.
Later?
Yes, first, your brain learns to think in English. Then, your mouth learns to speak fast.
Oh, so they're separate.
Kind of. Thinking is internal. Speaking is external. Both need practice.
Got it. So I should practice both.
Yes, practice thinking, practice speaking.
Okay, another problem. What if I feel stupid talking to myself?
Sarah, you're not stupid.
I know, but it feels weird.
I understand, but think about it this way. Athletes talk to themselves.
Athletes?
Yes, before a game, they say things like, I can do this, I'm strong.
Oh, that's true.
And actors practice their lines alone.
Right.
So why can't language learners talk to themselves?
Good point. We're practicing too.
Exactly. It's practice. It's smart.
Okay, I feel better now.
Good. Don't feel weird. Feel proud.
Proud?
Yes, you're learning English. That's amazing.
Thank you, Mike. Okay, let's talk about one more thing.
What's that?
Dreams.
Dreams?
Yes. Do people dream in English?
Oh, yes. When you think in English a lot, you start dreaming in English.
Really?
Really? It happened to me with Spanish.
You dreamt in Spanish?
Yes, after a few months, I had a dream in Spanish. No translation, just Spanish.
Wow, that's so cool.
It was cool, and it showed me my brain is learning.
So, dreaming in English is a good sign.
a great sign. It means English is becoming natural.
I want to dream in English.
You will. Just keep practicing.
Okay, I'm excited now.
You should be. Thinking in English will change your life.
Change my life?
Yes, you'll understand more, you'll speak more, you'll feel confident.
Confident. I like that.
Confidence is everything.
It really is. Okay, Mike, let's talk about some simple phrases people can use.
Good idea. Let's give some examples.
Okay, when you wake up, you can think,
I'm awake.
I'm awake. Simple.
Then I'm getting up.
I'm getting up. What about breakfast?
I'm hungry. I want breakfast.
I'm hungry. I want breakfast. Perfect.
Then I'm making coffee.
I'm making coffee, or I'm eating toast.
Yes, I'm eating toast.
What about going to work?
I'm going to work now.
I'm going to work now. Easy.
Or I'm leaving the house.
I'm leaving the house. What about feelings?
Feelings. Okay. I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous. These are all so simple.
That's the point. Thinking in English doesn't need to be complicated.
Right. Simple is better.
Simple is powerful.
Okay, let's give one more example. What about the evening?
Evening. Okay. I'm home.
I'm home.
I'm relaxing.
I'm relaxing.
I'm watching TV.
I'm watching TV. And bedtime?
I'm tired. I'm going to bed.
I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Perfect.
See? You can describe your whole day in simple English.
Yes, and if I do this every day?
Your brain will start thinking in English automatically.
Automatically. That's the goal.
That's the goal.
Okay, Mike, I think we covered a lot today.
We did. Let's do a final recap.
Okay, so thinking in English means...
No translation. Your brain thinks directly in English.
Right. And why is this important?
Because it makes you faster, more natural, and more confident.
And how do we start?
5 steps. Start small. Talk to yourself. Think about your feelings. Stop translating. Surround yourself with English.
Perfect. And it takes time?
Yes, weeks or months, but it will happen.
If we practice every day.
Exactly. Practice every day.
Even 5 minutes?
Even 5 minutes helps.
Okay, listeners, you can do this.
You really can. Start today.
Start right now. Describe what you're doing. I'm listening to a podcast.
I'm learning English.
I'm thinking in English.
See? You're already doing it.
You are. Keep going.
And remember, mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are how we learn.
Communication, not perfection.
Communication, not perfection. I love that.
Me too. Okay, everyone, that's it for today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
Yes, help us reach more English learners.
And keep practicing. Think in English every day.
Every day, you'll be amazed at your progress.
You will. We believe in you.
We really do. Okay, take care, everyone.
Bye. Keep learning.
Bye. See you next time.